Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video and we are going to be talking about the Amazon Influencer Program. I just recently got approved on November the 27th, so I'm actually new to this, but I just wanted to show you guys how to make an income from this program. Just know if you have any influence on any of these platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, or any type of influence, just know you're eligible to be part of the program. I'm leaving my socials here so you guys can see that I'm a micro influencer. So here's my page with 8,113 followers and TikTok page with 900 followers. So I wouldn't consider myself a big influencer, but it shows you guys that you can apply as a micro influencer. I did create my storefront with my Instagram account and I got approved right away. So if you plan to make an Amazon influencer account, at least support and see what taste I have. Talk about the program. So right now Amazon is allowing content creators to have with them so that you could share your affiliate link to others, recommending them products that you have on display on your storefront. So you do make a small commission on sales, but now seeing that they had the pandemic, Amazon did cut back on the commissions. So I think it's around 10% or 30%, less than 30% that you're going to get on your commission sales. However, I haven't made any sales as yet, but I will update you guys on my journey with the program. So this is basically how my storefront looks. You do have to add a profile picture and a banner. So I use my YouTube channel banner, nothing special, but I had created content on here that I'm going to display. Let's create an account, and of course the link is down below, so just hit the link in the description if you're planning to become an influencer. As you can see, I'm already have an Amazon account, so all you have to do is connect, log in with your existing Amazon account, and then or just create a new account. And once you do that, just type your public name and put a short description about yourself. Don't forget to link your socials like Instagram, TikTok, etc. But once you do that, just save it. And once saved, and this is what your customer is gonna see on your page. You have a list of content here listed, like my best unisex winter gear and how to be a content creator. When uploading content, do take in mind that it takes up to 5 hours to display your content on your storefront, so please be mindful of that. So I basically think that's it on how to join the program, how to create your account, and etc. But just know if you want to check out your commission rates, like your sales and how much money you'll be making, just know that on your homepage, just click the ratings, and once you click on there, you're gonna see like your ratings from each product and the sales that you get, and plus you could withdraw at any time you feel like. And I think that's it. I basically think that's it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the channel, and make sure you check out my storefront to see if I have any useful stuff listed and other recommendation products that I use on a daily basis. But I hope this video was very helpful on creating your storefront and getting started with the influencer program. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.